Good morning! The day started off quite cloudy, but according to Google, the weather should change pretty soon. Our plan for today is to take a drive west, over the hills, to see two new beach locations. The roads were good to drive, we didn't encounter much traffic, just beautiful landscape. The distance to the first beach is a little bit over 30 kilometers, but the car drive might take an hour depending how fast you dare to drive on the mountain roads. Here we arrived to the parking area. There is a walk-friendly 1 kilometer path that leads to the beach, but we decided to follow the old road, which takes you almost straight to the beach. But there's a narrow and rocky path you have to walk down from. We came to the conclusion that the first path would have been better. There was a lot of dead seaweed along the beach, but even though it might look messy and feel unpleasant, it's vital for preventing erosion and it's usually a good sign indicating healthy and clean waters. The water was crystal clear and the underwater views were really interesting, especially on the north side of the beach around the rock formations. Hot. We wanted to take a look at surrounding areas and started following a trail. We didn't go far, but the path offered many beautiful views of the beach.
Korkotala.
We chose a different route back to the car. It's good to know that if you want to visit this beach, you should be prepared to cross a small pond of water to get here.
Welcome to the jungle.
The next beach was only 10-minute drive away. There was a free parking area quite close to the beach, but finding a free parking spot was a little bit more challenging. When we arrived, the sun was behind the clouds, but luckily it came out soon after. This long sandy beach, even though first seeming quite mainstream, ended up being one of Linda's favorites. evening was closing in, and once again it was time to head back to Saint-Florent. We still had an hour drive ahead of us in the mountains.
Cheers.
This day offered us 2 more beautiful locations in Corsica. Like the video if you feel the same, and don't forget to subscribe, so you won't miss the rest of the trip. See ya in the next video. Bye! Good morning. The day started off quite cloudy, but according to Google, the weather situation should change pretty soon.